Try blowing my nose. Uh-oh.
Oh, bless you, who will play? Where will play?
I'll share a toy. You share a snack. You'll share with me and I'll share right back.
But there is one thing that you should not share.
You go see Cuba show.
Don't share
People
your
do
toys
will
with
be
anyone
you. Well, if you do the first show, people see Cuba show. When I think who will play, yeah, what to say, open up.
You'll share a game. You'll share with me and I'll
We
do
are
most.
just
But there is one thing that you should not share.
People see Cuba show.
Don't share your toys with anyone. After I sneeze, give your hands a scrub.
Use a little soap, please.
If you think you're going to sneeze, get that tissue off the shelf. Keep the sneeze to yourself. That's right. And keep the sneeze to
Cuba show.
yourself.
Yeah, keep your seat, Cuba show.